In this video, we'll be looking at how to find the mean and standard deviation of a set of data points. On the screen, we have 7 student test scores, and we want to find the mean and standard deviation of these. Finding the mean, or average, is pretty easy. We can just add all of the numbers together, which would give us 557, and divide that by 7, which gives us approximately 79.57. Now we can find this, as well as the standard deviation, on the calculator pretty easily. So what we want to do is go to our calculator and press the Stat button and select Edit. And then you want to type your data into L1. So as you can see, I've typed all 7 student test scores into L1. Once you have those typed in, just hit the Stat button again. And we now want to go over to Stat and select one variable, Stats, right there at the top. Now, some of you may have a menu here. If you don't, I'll explain what to do here in just a minute. But if you do have a menu, just go down to Calculate and hit Enter. And you'll get this screen right here. If you don't have a menu, what it will look like is this without the L1. It'll look like this right here. So at that point, you can just hit Enter and you'll get the exact same screen. So we can see a couple things here. Up at the top, we can see our mean, denoted by X bar, is about 79.57, the same thing we got the other method. And then down below that, we see the standard deviation. Now there are 2 different standard deviations. The one we'll be using in this course is the sample standard deviation, and it is the one denoted by S sub X, and it is about 12.93. What this means is that on average, the students were about 12.93 points away from the mean of 79.57. And that's how we can find the mean and standard deviation of a set of data points.